Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by making sure Mainstage 3 is ready and your keyboard is connected so you can play immediately. First, connect the keyboard via USB or MIDI, then open Audio MIDI Setup to verify the device appears and responds. Next, launch Mainstage and choose a concert template that matches your role, because templates pre-map controls and save time. Once done, select a patch that includes the sounds you want. This gets you into the editing phase quickly and reliably. Now you'll map controls and shape patches so performance feels natural and responsive. Switch to Layout to place on-screen controls and assign hardware knobs or pedals. This makes tactile changes straightforward. Then move to Edit to choose channel strips, load instruments or plugins, and route MIDI input correctly, because correct routing prevents stuck notes. Once done, build layers or splits, adjust velocity and transpose settings for playability, and save patch variations so you can recall sounds instantly between songs. Finish by rehearsing in perform mode and organizing your setlist so transitions are seamless during a show. Assign next and prev patch buttons to your hardware to switch sounds hands-free. Make sure faders and pedals behave as expected. Save the concert and create an external backup to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, like stuck notes, press panic to send all notes off, reset the MIDI buffer, and check cables and drivers, because those fixes resolve most live issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.